Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 9. The statutory responsibility of the military is to defend the territorial borders against dash aggression. Option A, continental. Option B, external. Option C, foreign. Option D, internal. Option E, international. The correct option here is option B, external. When we talk of external, external simply means outside the border of one immediate country. Now when we talk of continental has to do with globe. Then when we talk of foreign, is the same as international. The internal is within a particular country. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.